Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Gala Games, Gala token update here. Boy oh boy, what a day. Geez, we had news of a airdrop coming up, and right now as I'm making this video we are up 8.3%, and if we look at the technicals over here for Gala, we're at a strong buy. Wow, that meter really shot up there. Okay, on the technicals on TradingView, 10 neutrals, 16 buys. The oscillators are in a buy, and the moving averages are in a strong buy. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I believe to be going on here with this chart here in a second. I believe we still have another push up here to go with this thing, and we'll get back into this in a second, guys. I'm going to go over this airdrop news. In case you haven't heard, Gala surges 15% after unveiling Gala version 2 airdrop. It says Gala has announced an upcoming launch of Gala version 2. Gala, the native token and blockchain gaming platform Gala Games, jumped higher on April 18th after the news of the Gala version 2 upgrade surfaced online. Gala jumped from lows of 0.043 to reach highs of 0.049 at the time of writing, and right now we're at 0.047. Gala was up 15% in the last 24 hours at 0.048. The token is likewise up 15.36% in the last 7 days. It says Gala Games has announced the upcoming launch of Gala version 2 on May 15th. This upgrade will see users receive a new version of Gala tokens via an airdrop. The upgrade to the Ethereum contract for the Gala token is expected to include several advancements, such as improved burn mechanisms, security upgrades, and future upgradability. Additionally, a direct one-for-one token drop will see all users who now own Gala version 1 on Ethereum automatically receive the new Gala version 2 token. Gala version 1 will no longer be supported following this drop because it will not have any value after the release of the version 2 token. Says here, before the snapshot on May 15th, users are recommended to remove their Gala tokens from any liquidity pools or smart contracts, as tokens that were airdropped to these contracts might not be recoverable. So that is super important, guys. If you have your Gala in a liquidity pool or smart contract, get it out. It says if they airdrop it to that address, it might not be recoverable. To be able to get their drops, users are advised to keep their Gala tokens in a personal wallet. As the May 15th transition draws near, the Gala Games team promises to keep users updated with frequent updates and announcements. So that's pretty huge. Yeah, and if you have friends out there to have Gala, go look up this article and send it to them, or send them this video, or whatever, get the news out to them. Super important. I know some people during a bear market walk away from the market and just leave their tokens sit in their wallets and only check in on crypto every now and then, but this is very, very important. Okay, so as long as they have their what did it say here? As long as it is on right here, all users who now own Gala on Ethereum automatically receive the new Gala token. Will no longer be supported because it will no longer have any value after release of the Gala version 2 token. All right, so that's pretty big news. How about this? SafeMoon hacker strikes a deal with developers to return $7.1 million. The exploiter will retain 20% of the stolen funds as a bug bounty. Yeah, they're letting this guy keep 20%, which I think was $1.9 million, and they're not going to press charges on him either, as long as he's going to return $7.1 million, and they're going to it was a $9 million hack due to a flaw in the smart contracts. And right down through here it says the two parties agreed on a 20% bug bounty to be awarded to the hacker. SafeMoon developers also confirmed that no charges will be filed against the hacker. SafeMoon's token has risen by 2.8% over the past 24 hours. How about that? Well, that's pretty good of him to give it back too. Who knows? They might, if he wouldn't have, maybe they knew who he was already, and they were going to go after him anyway. So who knows? But that's good news. Anyway, let's move on here to the crypto bubbles. Here's for the daily. You can see out there not a whole lot of red. That's for sure. Let's put it on the hourly. Yeah, you got a little bit of red popping up now on the hourly there. Let's move on here. The crypto fear and greed index market cap is up 1.25% in the last 24 hours. Volume is down 6.5%. Bitcoin dominance is rising again. It's up 1.05% over 24 hours, and we have dropped to a 58 on the crypto fear and greed indicator, and we were at a 69. Okay, let's get into this chart. And if you haven't, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would very, very much appreciate that. It helps me out a lot. Going to do a giveaway the last day of the month like we did last month. Gave away 100 ADA last month. Not sure. I might give away 100 XRP this month. I'm not real sure yet. We'll see what we're going to do. But all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. That's it. And there's also a link in the description of the video for 20% off of KuCoin trading fees if you do any trading on KuCoin. And all right, let's get into this here. All right, first we had this rise up here this morning. What did we get out of this thing? I mean, at one point, this thing went up 17, almost 18% this morning. Okay, you can clearly see what is going on in here. Okay, we obviously have one more wave to go out of this thing. As far as an Elliott wave goes, 2, 3. Now this fourth wave, this is what's going to get tricky. This thing could pull the whole way back down here. It cannot go below wave 1 here. Okay, then that would invalidate that. But this is you can almost absolutely. I'm not. Please don't take this as financial advice, folks. I'm not a financial advisor. I have to say that stuff. I don't want to get sued. But this absolutely looks like a five wave up here. Okay, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where it might pull back to. Usually the 618 is a real good area. Okay, so that would put it right there. The 702, 618 to 702 is going to be your normal areas, this thing. So you're looking anywhere from 0.04606 to 0.04521 at the 702. I would probably think the 702, but it could bounce early at that 618. Really hard to tell. If we look at the RSIs here, that'll give us a lot of clues too. Let's look here. That's the 1 hour. It's almost reset. The 2 is on its way down. The 4 just turned over. The daily is at the very top. The 12 is at the top. And then look at the 8. And the 8's at the top. Okay, so we're going to get a pullback. That's just the way it goes. The RSIs have to cool off. This thing could pull the whole way back here. Right to this support at 0.04484. And then we're going to probably get that bounce, that fifth wave. I have no idea how high this thing could go. It's I would almost bet for sure over 5 cents, but it's hard to say where it'll end up here. Okay, our next major resistance line's right up over. Let me get my pointer out here. I'm missing my pointer. Right over here when we hit this resistance right up there at 0.05107. Okay, be nice to get that blast up above that, and then do our, then we're going to get an ABC correction after that. Okay, I'll show you here. This is an Elliott wave. Okay, you get your 5 waves up, then you have an ABC down, and then you continue another 5 waves up. Okay, that's all. We're definitely in an uptrend here with higher highs and higher lows. So this thing looks fine. All right, we're going to get a pullback. Expect it. It's coming. So tomorrow we're probably going to be down 8%. It's hard to say. We have some red coming, that's for sure. Like I said. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out so much. Please hit that like button, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. God bless all of you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it. Thank you.